Okay.
Okay, right now, to our global community and to those of you here in the studio, I think that this program is the best in the world, and somebody has asked before if it can run as an investment. Is that the question you were trying to ask me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
sir.
what is the question?
I am trying to ask if.
I think you need to appear in this video.
Okay.
Let me.
All right. Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. The question I want to ask is, how can this work as an investment? Number one. Number two.
How it can work
As an
investment. Okay.
Number two, how much will be required as an investor to put into this, and how much can be generated from this platform?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is the record still on?
Yes, sir.
I think that is a very fantastic question right there. Okay, number one, yes, it can be operated and managed as an investment, bearing in mind that considering it as an investment system is going to work, and is working because of how attractive each of these levels have become. You know, let us have a flashback when this program started. It started from the team building, which is the level 1.
Yes,
and we told everybody that, see, this contract is designed to adjust with time, and the first adjustment will be experienced when we hit number 400 members in the community. And just straight to it, as we got to 400, we all moved into the global structure of a thing.
Yes, sir.
Now, in the global structure, we have layers. The first layer is that you first step into that global structure. Okay. That's the first condition.
Okay,
you understand? You know that the aim of every member that goes into the global power line is to earn at a higher region.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
Now the earning for the level 2 at the global power line is 81,900 coin.
Yes.
So everybody is looking at how he or she can earn this number. Now, how does it operate as an investment? That is your first question.
Yes, sir.
And what it will cost for a member to get there.
Yes.
And earn this money. I think we should demonstrate it on the board.
Okay, sir. Please do.
All right. So now, let's say, what name should we use now? What name? You are
Toby.
Toby. Okay, this is Toby in level 1. All right. He comes in with 100 coin here, and he is not interested in referring or bringing people. So what Mr. Toby will do is to create another 100 coin here. Mr. Toby, do you have your calculator there with you?
Yes, I do.
All right. So let's say this is to T1. Okay, Toby 1.
Yes, sir.
And this is Toby 2.
Yes, sir.
And this is Toby
3.
3, and
Toby 4.
Toby 4. Okay, here is 100 also. Here is 100. So let us do the calculation together. 100, 100, 100, 100 in 4 places is equals to what?
400.
400 coin.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, we also said that to buy the next package costs what? 500 coin. So you buy the
level 2.
Buy the level 2 plan, which is 500. That brings Mr. Toby here.
Yes, sir.
So Toby 1 is now here.
Yes, in level 2.
And that costs 500. So we should say plus 500.
Okay.
Now, when Toby is here, Toby is not qualified to earn in this global power line.
Yes.
Please let the caption be bold.
Yes, sir.
Toby is not qualified to earn in this global structure. Yes. Because the system does not want a scanty global structure, but in fact a busy global structure. So what will make it busy is the entering of people. Yes. So now Toby is required by the principle to bring in to be 2, to be 3, to be 4 over here.
Okay.
So now, let's start with to be 2.
Okay.
To be 2 will also upgrade. So let's put to be 2 here. That will be plus 500. That will be plus 500. Now, let's mark to be 2. So the next thing is to be 3 is to come over. To be 3 is to come over, and that will be plus what?
500.
500.
Yes.
Then there will be one more account remaining.
Yes.
Which is to be 4, right? That will be plus 500. Now, at this instance, at this point, to be 1 is now qualified to earn in this global structure.
Yes.
And at the height of his earning in this global structure, he would have earned a total of what?
It's 1,900.
900 coin. So,
wow.
Remember, your first question was, how can it run as an investment?
Yes.
Now, you can see that to be 1 has successfully arrived in the global structure without referring anybody.
Yes.
All he did was to refer himself.
Yes, sir.
Now, this activity will create what they call attraction. Okay?
Yes, sir.
This activity will create attraction. It's magnetic on its own. It's marketing on its own. So when Toby has done this, and Toby has in the process of doing this, people will join. People will naturally join because this is magnetic to the people. You understand? So when this is Toby, when Esther joined, say, okay, now first of all, let us calculate what it costs Toby to arrive here. Yes. Are you there with your calculator?
Yes, sir.
So the first thing was Toby got 4 accounts which cost 400 coin.
Sir.
Then the first account was migrated with 500 coins. So 400 plus 500 is what?
Is 900.
900. Remember, this is for this first 500 is for Toby 1.
Yes.
Now, then Toby 2 is this 500.
Yes.
900 plus 500. That's
1,400.
400. 1,400 plus this level. Look at the board.
Yes, I'm here.
This will be 3. This one.
Yes, it give you 1,900.
1,900. Now 1,900 plus another 500, which is the last one.
It give you 2,400.
So 2,000. Come down here. 2,400. So guys, to answer Mr. Toby's first question is, no, it's actually the second question.
Yes.
How much does it cost to get the whole 4 account over to level 2? So the answer to that is 2,400 coin.
Sir, what about charges?
No, the transaction charge is speculative.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so we'll advise members to just have a fair number of coin extra that will take care of transaction fee. But it's usually in the range of 9 to 10 coin at most.
Okay, sir.
All right,
sir.
So now to go back to the investment nature of it. So the answer to that question is that we are applying the principle of attraction here, and our marketing programs keep getting people into this program. Now, once Toby has gone through this exercise, so the large number of people that will be coming in to engage in this exercise will make Toby to earn a total of 81,900. But
with just 2,400.
With just 2,400.
Wow.
But now, let me completely open our eyes to something we have not seen, which is level 3. Which is level 3.
Okay.
Level 3 is a proof that level 2 was successful.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Level 3 is a proof of what?
Level 2 is successful.
That level 2 was successful.
Yes.
Now, let's look at how level 3 works. Now, to look at how level 3 works, let us first and foremost draw a table of Let me use a little bit of this red. Let us look at how the level. This has to be older. Excuse me. So we have to be 1, to be 2, to be 3, and to be 4. This is level 2.
Yes.
And we said that level 2 that is any level to be 1 that is earning 81,900 coin. Now to be 1 now felt like it is time to move to level 3.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So it is okay for to be 1 to move to level 3. This is to be 1 now, move to level 3.
Okay, sir.
What will be expected of him now is that he needs to bring to be 2, to be 3, to be 4 along to level 3.
Yes.
So if to be 1 upgrade to level 3, to be 1 cannot end.
Yes.
It cannot end in level 3.
Okay.
Now, do you also remember the multiplier's effect? The multiplier effect here is that so many people who are in level 2. Let's assume we have 20 people in level 2.
Okay.
Now, the first among them to upgrade to level 3 will be the father to the rest who are coming into level
3. And
do you also remember that this is global structure? Global structure implies that somebody from any part of the world's hemisphere is coming in to be under you, even though you never have any relationship with that person in your level 1 or level 2.
Wow.
So it is a transition thing, and it is optional. You can either remain in level 1, make all the whole money in the world in level 1, or move to the global power line. If you move to the global power line, it is like an investment. Look at how it seems like an investment. To be 1, who has to be 2, to be 3, to be 4? To be 1 upgraded to level 3 and cannot earn. Right now, he's waiting for its direct to join him to activate his earning.
Okay.
And what does to be 1 stands to earn in level 3? It stands to earn about, let me clean off this price, which is for level 2. It stands to earn about 419,000. Are you capturing it?
I'm capturing it.
419,712 coin.
Wow.
If I were in your shoe, I would do everything it takes
to get to
level 3 so I can earn this value.
The very big
so money. Now what do? It is now time to find out that what you did in level 2 was successful. You have to bring level 2
to level 3.
You have to bring level 2 over here so that level 2 will come here. That to be 2 will come here. Then bring to be 3 here. Bring to be 4 here. Now, when all of this is done, remember, to be 2 coming in is somebody's earning. Okay?
Yes.
So, invariably, you have done referring. So, there is a referring in a no referring structure.
Yes.
I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
Yes, you are vibrating.
Is somebody listening to me?
You are vibrating, sir.
There is a referring in a no referring structure.
Yes.
Okay? Or there is a no referring structure in a referring structure. So in this case now, to be 1 has brought to be 2 over to level 3. Yes. He has also brought to be 3 over to level 3.
Yes.
I can in center position.
Yes.
He has brought to be 4 to the right 3 position. So now, has to be referred or not?
He has referred.
Has to be invested or not?
He has invested.
Will to be earn or not?
Of course, he will earn.
So that answers your question.
Wow.
So ladies and gentlemen,
wow.
Why will you not come to Tripletron project? God bless you.